Holy crap. So as you guys can see, I got some new light bulbs in the old 97 Chevy here, and these bulbs came from LASFIT Auto LED Lighting. Now they had contacted me and said that they had liked what I'm doing on the channel and they wanted me to check out their bulbs and make a video about it. And if you want to learn how to fix your vehicle, do budget restorations, troubleshoot equipment, and all sorts of other types of garage related stuff, be sure to subscribe to Midwest Garage so you don't miss anything. Now, the thing I liked right off the bat is they didn't ask me to promote their product. They asked me to check them out and make a video about what I think about them. So this is an honest review. I'm not going to sell or promote anything to you guys that I wouldn't use myself or that I don't like. I have a lot of good things to say about this company, so please watch the entire video. Now, these are the LASFIT LA Plus series light bulbs, and they're a little bit special compared to the rest of their bulbs because they actually have a 360-degree setting so that you can kind of set the way that your light bulbs will actually shine so that you're not blinding other vehicles, because these things are bright. They also come with a 1-year warranty and a full product manual telling you how to return them if in case for some reason they are defective. Now, they cover a ton of different vehicles and they have a lot of different bulbs. They have multiple series, so you just need to find what fits your vehicle and go from there. Now, first impression of these bulbs is the high quality box that they come in. And I know that the box doesn't say much, but what it does tell me is that they do value their product very high, and it doesn't come in the same chintzy packages that you get from the auto parts store. So let's crack the box open and see what these bulbs are all about. So right off the bat, they look similar to your OEM lights. The difference with these is that they're made of all aluminum, and LEDs often burn out pretty quickly because they run at a higher temperature, but these actually have a built-in fan to keep the light bulbs cool, which I think is pretty awesome. They're rated to up to 30,000 hours of runtime. And these LASFIT bulbs aren't much more expensive than regular light bulbs for a vehicle. Plus, LASFIT actually gave me a discount code for everybody watching this video. If you want to go buy some for your vehicle, I'll put the discount code right here. All you do is go to their website, type in that discount code, and you'll automatically get 10% off any bulbs that you buy. Now, like I said, I'm not making any money off of this deal. They did send me the bulbs for free, but that's just so I can check them out and give you guys an honest review. And I'll tell you right now, I highly recommend them. The people that work at LASFIT are really easy to work with. I've been emailing with them back and forth, and they do awesome when it comes to customer service. They'll answer your questions as soon as possible, and they have all the information that you'll ever need. So if you have any questions about the bulbs that you need, or if they'll fit aftermarket headlights, just send them an email and they'll be able to help you out, no problem. Now, the install is going to be different depending on what kind of vehicle you have, but I'm going to throw these in the truck and see what they look like. And then we're going to do a comparison to see how much better they are than the stock OEM bulbs. So if you do have an 88 through 98 Chevy pickup like this, there's 2 bolts on the top here. You're just going to pull those out, and then you can remove the headlight assembly to put the new bulbs in. And to remove the old bulbs, you just twist them until they unlock and pull the old bulb out. And these things look pretty high tech next to the old bulb, which these are actually upgraded from stock. So just think of what stock looks like compared to what these are going to look like. It's going to be crazy. And they have the same connection, just with a little bit longer of a cord. So with the new ones, you just plug and play just like the old ones. So right off the bat, you can see how wide the spread of the headlight is, as well as the brightness. So here's the stock. It's kind of an orange, dull but bright enough light compared to the LASFIT.
That is just unbelievable.
So as you can see, these headlights from LASFIT make a huge difference. And once again, huge thank you to LASFIT Auto LED Lighting for sending me these light bulbs and letting me do an honest review for you guys. I do highly recommend them. And once again, I'm not going to promote anything that I don't like, but I really do like these bulbs. Make sure you go to their website and order yourself a set for your vehicle and use this product code right here to get 10% off your bulbs. If you want to learn more about LASFIT LED light bulbs, leave a comment down below. I'll try to answer as best as I can, or you can just go to their website and email one of their many customer service reps. They are super helpful and super friendly. They'll be able to help you out with anything that you need. If you like this video, please let me know down in the comments below. Also, leave me a thumbs up and share the video if you know somebody that could benefit from these light bulbs. Thanks for watching, guys, and I'll see you in the next video.